Greetings to all the students of Shivajirao S. Dundai Polytechnic Asan Automobile Department. Like for the academic year 2021 to 2022. This video lecture will be about the instructions for VLAB. As you know, due to the pandemic, it is impossible for us as well as you to attend the college and perform all the practicals related to your academics. So to you make you possible to learn more and more as possible as from our side, the MSBT has arranged virtual labs. That is, you are going to perform the practicals which are available virtually, that is on the internet. Okay, here the virtual labs are set up by various institutes, out of which the one is IIT Bombay. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to guide you how to perform those practicals as per instructed by your subject teacher. So here I'm going to tell you in it in the three steps. That is, the very first step is your registration to those labs, virtual lab. Then second will be the performance, and third will be the feedback. Okay, all these three steps are important. Out of these three, if one step is also missed, your attendance will not be counted, and hence your marks will be assessed. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मैं आज इस लेक्चर में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि आपकी जो वर्चुअल लैब्स है, ड्यू टू पेंडेमिक जैसे कि आपके प्रैक्टिकल्स फिजिकली परफॉर्म नहीं हो रहे, तो एमएसबीटी ने ट्राई किया है कि आपको वर्चुअली जितने भी प्रैक्टिकल्स पॉसिबल हो, आपको उनको परफॉर्म करके दिखाया जाए थ्रू द एनिमेशंस एंड ऑल अदर मीन्स। तो उसके लिए वेरियस इंस्टीट्यूट्स ने अपने पोर्टल्स पर वर्चुअल लैब सेटअप किया हुआ है, मतलब डिजिटल लैब्स जाके जाके आप वर्चुअली उन्हें परफॉर्म कर सकते हो। यू कैन गेट द रीडिंग्स एंड ऑल थिंग्स। तो वैसी एक इंस्टीट्यूट है अपनी आईआईटी बॉम्बे, जिनका वी लैब हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं। वी लैब यानी वर्चुअल लैब। तो उसके लिए तीन प्रोसीजर्स है, तीन स्टेप्स में प्रोसीजर है। फर्स्ट है रजिस्ट्रेशन, सेकेंड इज़ यूर परफॉर्म करना है आपको, और थर्ड में आपको फीडबैक देना है। इसमें से एक भी स्टेप अगर आप नहीं करते हो तो आपका अटेंडेंस काउंट नहीं होता है, मतलब आपने परफॉर्म नहीं किया, और उस हिसाब से आपके एकेडमिक्स मार्क कंसिडर किए जाएंगे। तो सबसे पहले जो फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है रजिस्ट्रेशन, वो एक टाइम प्रोसेस है। आपको वो हर बार नहीं करनी होती है, हर प्रैक्टिकल के लिए नहीं करना है, आपको एक बार रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है। सेकंड, परफॉर्मेंस। यस, हर एक प्रैक्टिकल का अलग अलग प्रोसीजर होगा, वो आपको जाके वर्चुअली परफॉर्म करना है। अब क्या करना है वो मैं आपको आगे बताता हूँ। नेक्स्ट इज़ योर फीडबैक। फीडबैक आपको हर परफॉर्मेंस के बाद में देना है। ओके, इट इज़ अ क्लोजिंग प्रोसीजर। वो भी अगर आप नहीं करते हो तो आपका अटेंडेंस काउंट नहीं होता। ओके, सो गेटिंग टू द वेब, आगे हम देखेंगे कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं। Okay, starting with the instruction or the lecture. First, you have to choose the browser, and each browser you can choose. Here, I have the Chrome. I am using the Chrome. Now, important point to be considered while choosing the device. Here, I am using mobile for my convenience. You can use your laptop, PC, desktop, anything, and your mobile too. But if you will ask me, I will say you to prefer PC, desktop, or laptop. Why? The reason is that it has the bigger screen, and you will be able to see all the contents at a time on a same screen if you are using the big one. If you are using mobile, then you will unable to see all the contents at a time on a same screen, though they are needed simultaneously for you for studying and understanding the practical. So I will ask you to use laptop, PC, or the bigger screen device if you have. So you will it will be easy for you to understand the practical. Otherwise you can use mobile too, but you will find it little inconvenience to understand. Okay, after opening the browser, simply you have to go to address bar and type the google.com. That is, you have to open your search engine. Then in the search engine, in the search bar, you have to type VLab IIT Bombay. As I have typed it many times, it is automatically suggesting me. So I will directly click on the first one, that is VLab IIT Bombay. After clicking on that, Google is showing me the results. The very first result is our result. Now in that very first result, that is they have given the website and the virtual lab IIT Bombay, little description, and below that there is register. So for the academic year, if you are visiting for the first time, and you are, so you have to first register yourself in that virtual lab of the IIT Bombay. So click on the register. As you click on the register, you will go to the register page of IIT Bombay Virtual Labs. uh, Below that, in red they have written that all fields are compulsory. I will zoom it in so you will be able to see it clearly. All fields are compulsory. So whatever they are asking in your register form and they have given the asterisk mark, you have to answer it compulsory. So the very first they are asking is your nodal center, IIT nodal center. In this you have to choose your college name, which is your Shivajirao S. Dondare Polytechnic. If you will click on that, you will see the list of your colleges in the drop down. Okay, number of colleges. Now you don't have to search all the colleges, whole list for your college. Simply, I will tell you the number, that is your 240. Scroll down till you reach the 240, and at the number 240 you will find your college name, that is Shivajirao S. Dondare Polytechnic. Now here they have given the place Navi Mumbai. Though your college is in Asanga, you have to click on the same college, that is Navi Mumbai, because there is no other college named Shivajirao S. Dondare Polytechnic Asanga. All the students have to click on the Shivajirao S. Dondare Polytechnic Navi Mumbai only. The serial number is 240. You have to remember it, otherwise you will waste your time and finding your college name in the given list, which is a very long one. So simply click on Shivajirao S. Dondare Polytechnic. Second, they are asking whether you are student or faculties. You are student, so select students. After that, they are asking you select the course. So after clicking on that, I get the drop down and they have given me the option. So here is the second last option, that is diploma. You are doing automobile diploma. So diploma, if okay, the next is your if others please specify. You have the diploma, your option was there, so you don't have to fill anything there. No asterisk is given on that place, so keep it blank. Second is select discipline. When you will click, you will see the branch of your engineerings. So your one is your automotive engineering. So simply click on automotive engineering. Again, below that, if others please specify, left it blank, don't do anything there. Then comes your select semester. Now in which semester you are, you have to select it, whether you are in first semester, third semester or fifth semester. Here for my convenience I am selecting third semester. You have to select your respective semester. Then your roll number, that is your enrollment number. You have to put here your enrollment number, not the roll numbers given by the college, but you have to put the enrollment numbers given by the college. The enrollment numbers are same which have you have used in the unit test, okay, as a token number. So here I will put it randomly because I don't have any roll number. Okay, that was here. You have to put the enrollment number. Then is your first name. Simply whatever is your first name, you have to put it down. Then your last name, your birth date. Calendar will be popped up, you have to use that. Here there my mobile automatically suggested my birth date, which is wrong. So I will show you how to use it. Now clicking on that, I got the month calendar. Now year calendar, sorry, March. Clicking on 26. Now I was born in 1992. So here is 92 in the October. I won't tell you the date. If you have seen, it's okay. Okay, the date of birth will be displayed in the format they want. You simply have to choose the correct month, year and date. Then you have to put it your email ID. Then go for the mobile number. Then choose your password. You can choose any kind of. After that, you have to enter the captcha, that is validation code. Whatever the blue symbols are given, you have to enter is as same as given and register now. Now you will see this window, that is you have been registered successfully. Okay. Now you don't have to click on the login given below. Simply what you have to do, you have to go back again to the Google page. In the address bar, Google, again you have to type virtual lab IIT Bombay. This is the second step of your performance. So virtual lab IIT Bombay. Now instead of clicking on register, you have to click on the website. That is the very first part, virtual lab IIT Bombay. Then after that, the virtual lab will welcome to the virtual lab. As you scroll down, you will see the disciplines, that is your branch. The first one is electronics and communication, computer science, electrical, mechanical. Now as you will scroll down, you won't see automobile branch, so no need to panic. Simply you have to go to the mechanical engineering only, because automobile and mechanical are similar branches, so you have to use mechanical engineering. After clicking on mechanical engineering, after scrolling down, you will see the labs related to mechanical engineering. Now which lab you have to select, it will be instructed by your subject teacher. Okay. Consider, just consider, your subject teacher says that the lab will be your fluid and thermal science lab. Then you have to scroll down, see the lab name, and click on that lab name. After clicking on that, you will directed to the next window, the window related to that particular lab. Okay. Now in that lab, you will be shown a number of practicals. Now which practical you have to perform, that will be also instructed by your subject teacher. For a given practical, your subject teacher will forward you the message, that which lab you have to select, which practical you have to perform. Okay. So if your subject teacher says that in fluid and thermal lab you have to perform energy losses in pipe flow, then you have to select particular experiment. After going to that, you have to read all the theory given there. Okay. At the home page, you will see, if I will zoom in the blue line, you will see the theory, that is the practical I have selected, that is energy losses in pipe flow. The theory related to that means what that practical teaches you, why the practical is included in your academics, that all is given in your theory part, the formulas you have to use while performing the practical and all. Then comes your apparatus. When in the blue line, when you will click on that apparatus, okay, no page found, maybe it's facing some issue again. Okay, apparatus, procedure, software. Okay, we will try another lab. Let it be, say metal forming lab. Enter in the metal forming lab. Now here you will see, now for every lab the layout is different, so you have to use your brain to search for the list of experiments and all. So as I have said, in that the list of experiments was given on the first page itself. Now here the list of experiment, you won't be able to see the list of experiment, so you have to search for that. Now simply I will see here in the home page, what I'm seeing, home page. Okay, equipments, upsetting process, extrusion process. Okay, simulations. Okay, in the processes you will see the different uh, practicals. Okay, the subject teacher will tell you which practical to perform, and on that particular practical you have to click on. I will click on hydroforming. Okay, sorry, it's got clicked on stretch forming, so we will see for that. In stretch forming, the theory they have given you, the diagrams they have given you, you have to read all these things they have given you. Then in simulation they have given you the practical stretch forming simulations. Okay, they have given you the YouTube video. When you will go and click the play button, you will be shown the YouTube video in which they have. The stretch forming process is a cold working bending process. In this video, you can see a sheet is clamped with the help of the boards in clamp. Okay, so in this way, they will show you the practical, the YouTube video animated one and with the sound. Okay, and after that, self check test quiz is there. In every practical, After the end there is self check quiz, or with any other name the quiz is there. In that you have to simply answer 10 questions. Multiple choice questions are there. They are simply to see whether you have understood the practical or not. So you have to solve those questions and submit here. After clicking on submit, you will see this window. You have to take a screenshot and you have to share it on the your WhatsApp group, college WhatsApp group. So we will understand that you have performed the practical. After doing that, this was the second step. What? The performance. Now, for the third step, simply again you have to go to the google.com. Again you have to type VLab IIT Bombay. Again you have to go to the register, and in register you don't have to fill again all the details because you have once registered. That's enough. Now you have to log in, which is just to left of the register. When you will see the login, you have to put your registered email ID, which is I am going to do. Then you have to put your password, whatever password you have selected during the registration. In case you forgot the password, they have given you below the login the forgot password button. You can reset the password again, but you have to remember the email ID you have used for that. And I will click the login. After clicking the login, you will see the date. The date will be displayed for the practicals date. Okay. Today is 1st December 2021. Then you have to select the semester. I have selected while registration was third semester, so same I will select here. And you have to check whether your nodal center is same as you have registered, Shivaji Rao S. Dandave Polytechnic. Otherwise your attendance will not be counted. It will be counted in some other college or some other nodal center. You have to give your attendance in our college only. So selecting semester, then user, workshop user, the only option was there. Now all fields are compulsory. Now here you will see number of options. You don't have to fill those number of options. Simply select discipline, only the first one. Select discipline. As I have said, there wasn't automobile lab, so we perform the practical in mechanical lab. So we will select mechanical engineering. Then your lab name, whatever your lab name was, it was metal forming. So enter the lab name. You have to keep in mind what lab it was. So metal forming, experiment name, extrusion. Okay. And okay, after filling that, simply go to questionnaire. That is, you have to give your feedback, the degree to which actual lab environment. Okay, that's your personal choice what feedback you have to give. Now read out all the questions they have asked you and answer it as per your convenience. Now, how helpful system was? Okay, I will type here. Okay, specify the problem. They will know. You have to put your problems. Those questions are all related to you. You can answer it in the way you want. Okay, and simply you have to submit. Thank you for your valuable feedback, and click on logout. Don't please click on logout. Don't forget to click on logout, because otherwise you will be seen logged in the virtual lab till you open the window for the next time. So this was the procedure for your virtual lab. And thank you for attending the lecture. So this was the instructions lecture for your virtual lab. Now quick recap to for the lecture. The very first step was your registration. For that you have to select any kind of browser. Type Google in your address bar. Put virtual lab VLab IIT Bombay in your search bar. In the results, the in below the very first result there is register. You have to click on that. In that you will be given the various questions. You have to fill them out. The very first one is your nodal center, that is your college. At the number of 240, Shivaji Rao Polytechnic, Navi Mumbai. You have to select that college. Then was your this course, that is your diploma. Then was your discipline, that was your automotive engineering. There it was given by the name automotive engineering. You have to select that. Okay. After that, they ask you the semester and your personal details. Fill that out. Then they have asked you your email ID. You have to use the active one. You have to enter the active email ID, so that in case you forget your password for the lab, you will be redirected a link to that email ID for changing your password. Then enter your password and keep it to yourself only. Click on register. You have successfully registered. That was the first step. Now comes the second step, that is performance. Again, go to the Google, type the same VLab IIT Bombay. Now click the very first result, that is the name of your website, VLab IIT Bombay. After entering, it will welcome you. Below that, they have given you the number of disciplines in which your automobile engineering is not listed. So you have to click on the mechanical engineering. Now, which lab to select? In WhatsApp message for a particular day, your particular subject, the subject teacher will tell you in the message which lab to select and which practical to perform. Okay, in some labs, list of practicals is given in the front page only, which makes it easy to find the practical, whereas in some labs it is not. As we have seen in the second one, we needed to find it in the process, and we got the list of practicals in that process section. Okay, the process name is totally different from the list of experiment, though we found it in that section. So you have to use your little brain to find the list of practicals in some labs. Please do that. After finding the practical name, just go through the theory part. Then, if there is a virtual simulation, watch it carefully. If there is YouTube video, watch it carefully. If there is any animation or the table, do it by yourself also on a rough page, the calculations. If they have given any formulas in the theory part, please note it down to your notebooks, so you can use it in you can apply it for other practicals too. Okay, after performing the practical, in the practical itself they have given you self check quiz, or simply the quiz. The 10 questions are given in the multiple choice question form. You have to select the correct answers as per your knowledge you got from the practical, and simply submit. After submitting that, you have to give the feedback, which is the very important part, the last part of your practical. Feedback, again you have to go to Google. Again you have to type VLab IIT Bombay. Again you have to go for register click. Okay, after going to register, you have to click on the login, which is just next to your register. Your register will be highlighted in the green and the login will be in the given black color. So you have to click on the login. And login, you have to use your email ID, the one you used while registering. Enter the password, the one you set while registering, and login. Simply click on login. After logging, then again they will ask you some questions. The very first will be your nodal center. It will be given on the top. You have to check whether it is your nodal center, that is your college. If it's correct, go for the next questions. They will ask you your semester, discipline. Enter same as you filled at the time of registration. Yes, the difference is at the discipline. uh, in the discipline, at the time of registration you entered automotive engineering, but while entering, there is no option for that. You have to choose mechanical. Okay, mechanical, automobile are similar. Then below that, they have asked you number of labs. They have given number of entries. Okay, you don't have to fill all the entries. You have to just fill that single entry for the day. Okay, if you are performing two different practicals on the same day, then you have to fill that two practicals data. Okay, so simply how many of lines you have to fill, it will be according to your number of practicals you perform in the same day. If in a same day, if two subject teachers of different subjects ask you to perform their respective practicals, then total number of practicals performed for the day will be 2. So you have to fill the details of both the practicals for the given date. Then coming to questionnaire section, they have asked you some questions for their feedback. Read those questions carefully and rate them as per your experience. give them suggestions if asked as per your experience. All the questions you have to give you as per your experience. Okay, after doing all the things, you have to simply click on submit. After submitting, they will thank you and will ask you to log out. Click on log out, and hence your practical is completed. Okay, keep in mind, and best of luck for those practicals.